Hello, in this video I want to show you how to unpair Bluetooth accessories from Nvidia Shield. And to do this you will need to open your settings. Right here, scroll down to the remote and accessories. You can disconnect Bluetooth accessories with a specific tab, and this will disconnect all connected accessories. And let's cancel it for now, and just to show you how to unpair one device and not all of them, you will need to scroll down all the way down to see paired devices. Now select which device you want to unpair, click on it, and then you should see Unpair button again. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.